Most people get travel rewards credit cards wrong by focusing only on points. They forget about fees, perks, and restrictions. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of the TD Airplane Visa Platinum credit card so you can know exactly what you are getting into before applying. This card is designed for frequent flyers with Air Canada. The biggest draw is the Airplane points system. You earn 1.5 points per dollar on Air Canada purchases and 1 point per dollar on everything else. The surprising truth? Points can add up quickly if you strategically use them for flights, upgrades, or even partner airlines. The card comes with travel perks. For example, you get first check bag free on Air Canada flights, priority boarding, and access to travel insurance, including trip cancellation and delay coverage. Most people get this wrong by assuming all travel credit cards offer the same insurance. They often don't. With TD Airplane, these perks are specifically tuned for Air Canada travelers. Annual fees are moderate, and you should consider your travel habits. If you rarely fly with Air Canada, the points may not offset the fee. However, if you fly regularly, the points plus perks can easily outweigh the cost. Also, watch for redemption rules and blackout dates and see if restrictions apply, so you need to plan ahead. In conclusion, the TD Airplane Visa Platinum credit card is ideal for frequent Air Canada travelers who want to earn points and enjoy flight-related perks. Most people get this wrong by assuming rewards are universal, but with this card, knowing how to use Airplane points strategically makes all the difference. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you can pick the best card for your travel style without wasting money.